Good day everyone, I'm Mark Christian Lawrence C. Vasco from BSIT 2I, and today I will present you a Java Swing GUI project in Laboratory 2. The program is called Registration Form and is built using Java Swing, a framework used to create graphical user interface in Java. This project allows users to input their personal information through a well-designed form and includes interactive features like gender, selection, countries, country drop-down, and validation for password matching. First, the code explanation. First, I using package Smart Vasco import Java Swing and import Java Swing border title border, import Java AWT, import Java.awt.event mouse adapter, and import the Java AWT event mouse event. I use package Smart Vasco, then yung swing naman po is for itong swing na dalawa is for builder interface. And ito naman po is yung AWT for layout and color. Then second, public Smart JFrame. This create the main windows of the application. JFrames is the main container where all components like text, fields, label, or button are placed. Then, declaring opponents. This is the declaring opponents. These variables represent form input like name, user, gender, password, email, and etc. Then, dito naman po is for color, for designing. Custom color are defined for consistent design and other event effects on button. Then, dito naman sa form construction, The frame size titled are set. The main panels and the title border is created to hold all the forms field. Each form is created using helper method like create field na panel for text input, create gender panel for radio button, and create combo panel for drop down list. Dito. Yan. Then, sa button, dito po, button, submit. When click, it runs show info, which display the entered data. Reset button clear all fields by calling reset fields, and closes the windows using dispose. Ito po. Yan. Ito po. Yan. Submit button daw ay kinagamit na for show infos. Ang show infos is dito po. Papakita yung show infos like yung mga name, gender, user. Then, pag click down po natin yung reset. Pag click ng reset, magre-reset po yung lahat ng nilagay natin. Then, pag dispose, para ma-expo yung program. Then, 7, logic and show infos. This method collect all input values. If check the password and confirm the password field match. And if valid, is show message dialog with a full input summary. Dito po pag naglagay po tayo ng information, dito po siya mapupunta. Then, itong password, tapos itong confirm password, hindi po siya magra-run kung hindi sila magka-match. Then, dito po sa after po, pag tapos na po, valid po lahat, is para may magpapakita pong message box sa gilid or message dialog box. Ganon. Then, ito na po yung sinasabi kong reset fields. Which is, pag naglagay po tayo ng input at nagkamali tayo, pindutin nyo na lang po yung reset button, then maalis po lahat ng nilagay po natin. Then, dito sa 9, dito po, magra-run po yung form natin. Dito po siya magra-run. This is the entry point of the program. It launches the form address safe way using swing utilities evoke letters. Then, this is the design. Magulo po, pero nakaayos na po yan, which is, pag kinod mo dito, nakaayos na po yan. So, try natin po i-run. Run as JavaScript. Yan. This is the form. So, like my name, Mark Christian Basco. Then, mail, username, Mark na lang po. Then, password. Email. Then, phone number. Then, address. Then, zip code. Zip code, which is 2506. Then, select country. Dito po yung lahat ng country. Then, select natin yung Philippines. Then, pag sinubmit po natin, yan po sinasabi kong may lalabas na all information entered. Andito po yung name, Mark Basco, gender, male, username, Mark. Hindi po magpapakita yung password kasi kan po yan, parang privacy. Then, phone, 094559745881. Address, Amlang Rosario La Union. Zip code, 2506. Countries, Philippines. Then, after that, try na rin po natin yung reset button kung maalis po lahat. Okay? Naalis po lahat. Then, pag close po natin, maalis po to. Ganun po yung pagkakaroon ng lahat ng program ko po. Dito. So, dito naman po. Try po natin magkamali ng password. Kung Mark. Try po natin magkaroon ng maling password. So, sabihin na lang natin Mark. Then, dito, Basco. Then, dito, Mark Basco 155a@gmail.com. Then, 094. Nagtataka kayo ba't nakaka-caps lock? Nakaka-caps lock po habang tinatype ko po. Then, zip code 2506. Then, select countries, Philippines. So, di ba nagkamali tayo ng password? The password that do not match. So, yan po yung papakita. So, this is the registration form for Mark Christian Lawrence C. Basco. Then, close. In the conclusion, in summary, this project showcases how to create a well-designed and interactive registration form, handle user input and validation, using Java Swing components effectively. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy my presentation of the registration form in Java Swing. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.